Hey there, and this lesson we are going to be looking at jQuery. So you probably already heard of jQuery. It's the most popular JavaScript library out there, and one of the things that it does really well is it does Ajax super easily, and it works across browsers, and basically it shortens that XHR object into just a few lines of code. So there's a few essential lines of code where we specify the URL, we specify what we do when we've retrieved that information, and then that's really it. That's all we really need to include within our jQuery. So let's set that up and show you how to bring jQuery into your projects. Now there's a number of ways, and you could download the jQuery library or you could use the jQuery CDN. So they've got an option over here to download. So if you want to use that and download it, you can just simply go and download it. You can also, instead of downloading, you can go and use a CDN. So there's a number of those available as well. They've got them listed here on their websites. So you can use CDNs. And what CDNs do is it's content delivery network. So these are online links or online JS files, so JavaScript files, and you can simply link to those and bring it into your code without having to download it. So there's a number of different sources here for CDNs, because jQuery, again, it's really popular. Usually the one that I use is I'll go to the Google developers.google.com and I'll just grab the jQuery library from there. Compatibility for the earlier browsers, and right now this is the most current one, so we're just going to use 3.x. So just go ahead and copy that CDN and we'll bring it into our web project. So what you want to do with your libraries, you need to bring them in before you try to use them. So if you've got your script tags or if you're linking to your own JS file, then make sure if you want to use jQuery, you link to that one first and then link to your JS file. But in this project, it's going to be a one-page project. So we're going to be typing the script directly within the HTML file. So we're not linking out to a JS file. The other important thing to note here is as well that they've got minified versions, so MIN, and that's just the minified version. And basically, if you were to go to this page online, you're going to see that the text is really, it's hard, you're not able to really read it. All the white space is gone, and that's essentially what the minified version is. It's the one that's not meant for human reading of the content. Once you have jQuery brought in to your web page, just go over to the web page and we'll just refresh it. And you can just type in jQuery, and you'll see that once you've got the library set up, you're going to get a return on the jQuery function. So that this is actually existing, and without this library, you're going to get an error. So just make sure that jQuery is hooked up and ready to go before you start using it. And the next lesson, we're jumping right in, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use jQuery to make AJAX calls. So that's coming up in the next lesson.